Hi, Michael Newrock here. I'm considering buying the Kiwi, the New Zealand US. I'm on the 4-hour time frame, and you can see a nice big move to the upside, then big move to the downside, and now we see a bit of a zigzag argy-bargy consolidation process happening. So we've had a trend trade, and now we've had a swing within a trend. Now it is still a bidirectional market, so only 3 of the 6 high time frame indicators are pointing up. But that's enough for an aggressive trend, an aggressive swing trade in this case. So RSI is above the 50. MACD has just swung up. Okay, so it's looking positive, and it's at recent highs as well. So the other thing that I like about this trade is that it's a small risk compared to the reward. So I'm just going to click yes and enter the trade, and there it is. We've got the trade in play right now, and you can see little risk, big reward. And that's how I like to address all of my trades at the end of the day. So around 50 pips for the stop, and what are we looking at? Around 310 pips or more to the last key high. So 50 pips risk, over 300 pips for the reward. That's what we're playing for this time around. How far it goes, I don't know, but I certainly will be locking in profits as we can do so as the price moves up, if it moves up. I mean, you don't win every single trade, but if it fits the rules and you have a compelling reason to enter the trade, then take the trade. So anyway, I'm going to update again shortly, but for now, I'm going to pause the video. We'll see you soon. Alrighty, looking good. 2,080, just over $2,080 in profit using 2 1-lot positions. So nothing crazy, very reasonable if you've got the account size to handle it. Now currently 85 pips in profit, 51 pips or 50 pips thereabouts locked in on one of my positions. And the other position, I've just noticed that the stop hasn't been moved. Now this sometimes happens when you're combining software with MetaTrader 4 being the operating system of your trading and the internet. Sometimes these things, rare as they are, occur. So I'm going to manually modify my stop to 71. And oh, you see that it actually just moved higher to where it should have been placed according to the system, and there it goes. It's boomerang straight back to where it is. So the profiteer system in this case has corrected where the stop loss should be. It's seen what I've placed as a mistake, and it's gone ahead and corrected that. Now we're looking at a very strong upward potential here. 4 out of the 6 high time frame indicators are pointing up. There's still plenty of room to move, and the profiteer system will only correct me when my stop loss is smaller than what it believes the stop loss should be during that trade management phase, based on the settings that I have provided it. So otherwise it won't do that. The other way we can do it is, if we really wanted it set at 71, the best way would be to go into settings and change it from there, and then make the change, and we won't see that correction occur. But in this case, I just manually changed it. Profiteer corrected me, so that's all well and good. My stops are nice and tight. So if it does move against me, then I'm going to lock in some good profits, which is great, because $2,000 on the table right now, that's not that's not petty cash. So I'm going to pause the video right now and come back as soon as I have another update. Okay, so first position has been closed out, $870, just shy of $871. Closed out on that first position where Profiteer corrected me just previously, and that's great. Converted into capital, $870. I've got $894 currently in my second position. I've got 50 pips locked in. So if it continues to move in my direction upward up to that 300 pips or anywhere upward, it's going to continue to lock in profits as the trade progresses. So right now I'm sitting pretty on around $1,700 between the closed position and my open position, and it's looking good. It's still bi-directional, okay, but if we get a swing to the upside, it'll then go into full buy mode. And at this stage, it's looking good. I'm in a win-win position. It's where I always want to be. So I'm going to pause the video and get back as soon as I have another update. Hey, so both positions have been closed. About $1,540 was the take on this trade. The second position was closed soon after that first position. Okay, we had that little retracement, and then we had that move down, which took out my second position. So 870 on one, 670 on the second, around 1,540 combined net. Converted from open equity trades to capital in my account. So great trade. $1,500 is $1,500. That's great to do whatever. Pay the electricity for a quarter. Electricity is getting expensive, right? So it's really nice to have this money just continually flowing in from trades that I'm taking on a regular basis in a low stress environment because of the profiteer system that's been developed over years, and of course the software, which really makes trading enjoyable. It's an enjoyable experience because I don't have to do everything. I don't have to be at the screen all the time, and I can rest easy that the profiteer system is going to work for me, which is going to allow me to maximize the returns that I generate from the effort that I put in. So I look forward to sharing the software with you. It's fantastic, sophisticated software that I'm really proud of, as well as all the trading. And come join us, be part of our community, and let's profiteer from the markets together. Till then, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.